Refer to question number 18. This is a small problem involving the estimation of carbon in an organic compound. Normally, for the estimation of carbon in an organic compound, the compound is heated in excess of oxygen so that all the carbon is converted in the form of carbon dioxide and hydrogen is converted in the form of water. And the carbon dioxide produced and the water obtained are being suitably weighed under suitable conditions. From the amount of carbon dioxide produced and the water produced, the amount of carbon or the percentage of carbon and the hydrogen given in the organic compound, available in the organic compound, are being found out. The question asked is very simple. In the estimation of carbon and hydrogen, 1 gram of a carbohydrate gave 1.47 grams of carbon dioxide and 0.6 gram of water. That is, amount of carbon dioxide available is 1.47 grams and amount of water available is 0.6 gram. The question asked is the percentage of carbon that is available in the organic compound. The question is very simple. If 44 grams of carbon dioxide is produced, that is the molecular weight. Amount of carbon available is 12. Now, how much of carbon dioxide is available is 1.47 gram of carbon dioxide is available. If 44 grams of carbon dioxide is available, the amount of carbon is 12. If 1.47 grams of carbon dioxide is available, how much will be the amount of carbon? But this is available from 1 gram of the compound. Then from 100 grams, because we want to calculate the percentage, from 100 grams of carbon dioxide, from 100 grams of the compound, how much of carbon dioxide will be available? The answer for that question is 40.88% of carbon, which corresponds to choice 1. So that is for the question number 18. Now going to question number 19, the same question is asked. In the problem, the above problem, the amount of hydrogen, the percentage of hydrogen, this is for the percentage of carbon. Now for this question, the percentage of hydrogen that is available in the compound has to be obtained. Work out in the same way, all the hydrogen that is available in the compound is converted in the form of water. If 18 grams of water is produced, how much of hydrogen will be available? 2 grams of hydrogen will be available. How much of how much of water is being produced? It is 0.6 gram of water is being produced in this compound, in this reaction. If this is available from 1 gram of the compound, therefore from 100 grams of the compound, how much will be available? It will be 6.66%. That corresponds to choice 1 in the question. So choice 1 in the question is 6.66. Other values are given, but the correct choice is 6.66% of hydrogen that is available. Now coming to question number 20. The question number 20 says, in the same problem relating to carbon and hydrogen, the percentage of oxygen in the carbohydrate is. The percentage of oxygen in the carbohydrate is. Now there is no direct method of finding out or estimating the oxygen present in the compound. What is actually done is, add up the two, that is 40.88 plus 6.866, subtract it from 100. That actually the amount works out to the 53. The choice is 2. The amount works out to actually 40.88 plus 6.66. Add up the 2, subtract it from 100. The value obtained will be 53.26% of oxygen. Oxygen is not estimated by any direct method, but it is obtained indirectly by difference. The total works out because a carbohydrate is a compound. Carbohydrate contains only 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon is found out, hydrogen is found out, so the remaining compound must be oxygen. Therefore, the amount of oxygen that is available is 53.626, which corresponds to the choice 2.